All right, so what's going on, everyone? We're going to talk about SMCI today and trying to figure out if hedge funds or, other big pocket buyers, big institutions, if they're coming in and purchasing SMCI, because if they are, then we need to hop on board. We need to at least join the party or get ahead of them. So welcome to the channel. That's what we're going to do today. You guys can already see on the chart, we do a price predictions. That's what we do. We try to get ahead of everyone else by predicting and forecasting where price is headed. You guys want to learn more, you hit on the right video. Make sure you guys click that like, share, and subscribe. And as well, tap that bell notification because I don't want you all to miss out on my videos. All right. Now, a price prediction is already here. And we was talking about SMCI going down, right? It did that. We were ahead of the market for the people who thought SMCI was a buy here. See, people thought SMCI was a buy right here. Okay, they thought that. People thought that SMCI was a buy right here, and they got trapped. But we didn't get trapped. We was telling you all, hey, look, that's a sell pocket. Be careful. These sellers are still here, and they're going to continue to sell until these buyers take them out the way. They didn't do it. So SMCI stock went down. So as we saw price continue to trade throughout the month of March, going into April, boom, the market hit our ultimate TP price on April the 4th. 19.14% right there. Told you. They leave us evidence. The market leaves us breadcrumbs. So now we're going to talk if the market is going to leave us more breadcrumbs, but not going down, but maybe looking for the price to go up. Let's clean up the chart. Let's get rid of these buy pockets here in SMCI. And now you can see where the range is. Let me clean up this sell pocket and let's do another one. Okay, so we'll create that as a sell pocket. Okay, so now this is a pretty big range from this sell pocket all the way to that buy pocket. Very big range. Okay, big ranges, it gives us big opportunity. That is about from high to low, 43% run. So let's look at SMCI real quick on the 2. Okay, so as I zoom out, let's not think that SMCI is trending higher or even trending lower, because you can see already that this market is kind of running stagnated. It's not a lot in terms of a price direction being seen. So we may continue in that fashion still. All right, just give you that notice. Here is SMCI on the 3. Okay. Take a look at SMCI on the 4. I will say once this 4-day price bar prints today and it closes the way that it looks now, I'll look for price to continue to trend up. But we still have a couple more hours left. Here is SMCI on the 5. Take a look at it on the weekly chart so far. Same thing on the weekly. We have a day and 9 hours. Let's see how this prints. If it prints the way that it looks currently, boom. We need to look for price in the SMCI to go up. Okay. Now let's look at this on the 5-hour chart. Market does look pretty bullish on the 5-hour chart. Here it is on the 3. Looks pretty bullish here. We're running across a sell pocket right now in SMCI, which is right around here. Okay, so we got some sellers right there. Go ahead and put the sellers there too. Here it is on the 330. Minute chart. It was good to see SMCI break this sell pocket, but they came back down though. So those sellers are still around. They haven't ran away yet. So again, we still need to be careful and a little bit cautious that this stock may not go that high. Okay. Now we got those sell pockets. We're going to go ahead and draw in this buy pocket. So let's predict that SMCI, we're going to get rid of that sell pocket here. It's trying to go higher, right? And we already got these three targets, these three sell pockets. Those are going to be our targets. Because I'm not convinced that SMCI is trending or turning bullish or is about to start a rally. I don't see that on the chart. Like I said, zooming out, we've just been trading. We're not really seeing this stock becoming massively bullish. It looks like it's confused. Buyers, sellers, they don't know what to do. They don't know, okay, do you want to control the price? Then the buyer's looking at the seller, you want it? The seller's looking at the buyers, hey, no, do you want it? That's what the chart looks like in SMCI. Nobody don't know anything. There's not a true consensus being seen on the chart for SMCI right now. So for that reason, I'm not going to be massively bullish. First target right there. Okay, so that's like 6.66% there. And that is at what? $38.98. Our next target is going to be at this middle sell pocket at the highs, like 41 bucks. That's 11.8. And then our third target is going to be around $43.64 to like $44.86. All right. So we'll see. We'll see how strong the market is. Let me know your thoughts though. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.